Hello student, hope you all are fine. So I hope student you all are doing your homeworks and classworks regularly. Okay. So students, as you know, we are doing chapter fractions and decimal. And our last topic is division of decimal. Okay, this we will complete in 2 sessions. So today I am taking division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So students, as you know, when multiplication or division with 100, 10 or 1000, then no need to do the actual division. Okay, only by shifting decimal we can solve it. Okay, so I'm taking here first example, like 4 decimal 8 divided with 10. Okay, if you remember, in multiplication we shifted this decimal to right side, but in division we always shift this decimal in opposite direction. Means if it in multiplication it is towards right hand side, in division it moves towards left hand side. Okay, but by how many digits? It depends upon the number of zeros. Okay, now here number of zeros 1, so this decimal will be shifted to 1 digit only towards left hand side. Okay, so decimal is here. When we divide it with 10, this decimal will be shifted to left hand side by 1 digit. So decimal will be before 4. So if we put decimal before 4, it means this whole part is 0 now. Okay, so it will become 0.48. It's quite interesting and easy also. Next example I am taking here, 0.7 divided with 10. Now count here number of zeros, 1 only, and sign division. So this decimal will be shifted to left hand side by 1 digit only. So this decimal will be here before this 0. So if we put decimal this before this 0, so here again we will put 0 for whole part. Okay, we cannot write without whole part. This is wrong. Okay, if nothing is there, we are supposed to write 0. Okay, now next example, next is 2.7 divided with 100. Now first step is to check the number of zeros and sign. Number of zeros 2 and sign is of division. So this decimal will be shifted to 2 digits now because number of zeros are 2. Okay, so here it is 1 digit only, but we have to shift it to 2 digits. So then we will put 0 from ourselves, because if we write 0 on this side in whole part, its value will not change. So we can write here 0. Okay, so this decimal will be shifted to 2 digits. So it will come here before 0. So before 0, it means 027 will be here, and before 0 for whole part we will write 0. So answer will be 0.027. Similarly here, your statement is 98.53 divided by 100. So again 2 zeros, so decimal will be shifted to 2 digits. Now it will be before 9 towards left hand side, So this is your answer, 0.9853. Okay, next example is, if decimal number is divided with 1000, so how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So steps are same. Now this decimal will be shifted to 3 digits towards left hand side. But if you say we have only one digit, so 2 digits are less, so we will put 0 from ourselves. Now decimal will be shifted to 3 digits, so decimal will be before 0, and for whole part we will write 0. So answer will be 0.0079.